Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Craft with Sheena. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding, different party outfits collection, mother of the bride dresses and semi-formal wedding dresses designs. These dresses are a beautiful reflection of elegance, grace and timeless style. These dresses are not just outfits, they carry emotions, memories and pride of a mother of seeing her daughter start a new journey. Every design tells the story of love and celebration. The beauty of these dresses lies in their variety, from soft chiffon to rich velvet. Every fabric gives a unique look. Light fabric create a flowy and dreamy feel, while heavier materials add a royal luxurious touch. Lace designs are always a favorite choice. They give a delicate and classy appearance that never goes out of fashion. Lace sleeves or full lace gowns make the outfit look sophisticated and perfect for formal weddings. And these dresses, like silk dresses are known for their shine and smooth texture, and they reflect light beautifully and give a graceful glow. Mothers who prefer a royal and polished look often choose silk dresses 2026. And Georgette dresses are very popular fabric. Georgette dresses are lightweight and comfortable. They are perfect for long wedding events where ease and style both matter. Their soft drape enhance the overall beauty of the outfit. And this fabric luxurious like velvet dresses. These dresses are ideal for winter weddings. Their rich texture adds warmth and elegance. Deep colors like maroon, navy blue, and emerald green look stunning in velvet dresses. And chiffon dresses are soft, airy, and very feminine. It's a very beautiful, amazing, outstanding fabric, and they create a gentle flow when walking, making them perfect for outdoor or daytime weddings. Light pastel shades look especially beautiful in chiffon. And this is a very beautiful dress. Beaded work adds sparkle and glamour to dresses. Small beads, sequins, and stones create a shiny effect that looks amazing under lights. It adds a festive touch without being too heavy. And embroidery designs are a symbol of tradition. And craftsmanship, hand embroidery, or machine work can transform a simple dress into something extraordinary. Floral and classy patterns are very popular, and A-line dresses are one of the most flattering styles. They suit almost every body type and provide a balanced look. And this design is a simple yet elegant look. It's a very amazing and very beautiful designer dress. Mermaid style. Mermaid style dresses are for those who want a more fitted and stylish look. They highlight curves and create a modern appearance. And this one is a very amazing, luxurious royal dress. Long gowns give a royal and formal vibe. They are perfect for grand weddings where the dress needs to stand out beautifully. And midi dress are a good choice for semi-formal wedding, and they are stylish, comfortable and easy to carry throughout the event. Now let's talk about colors like soft pastel shades like blush pink, lavender and peach. Peach are very popular and they give a calm and elegant look. Dark shades like burgundy, navy and black add a bold and powerful appearance. These colors are perfect for evening weddings. And this one is the very amazing neutral tones like beige, champagne and silver are timeless look. They match almost every theme and look classy look. Now moving towards online business idea. Selling mother of the bride and party outfits online is a great opportunity because demand is always there. You can start by creating an Instagram page where you upload high quality pictures of dresses. Good lighting and clear image attract more customers. Creating short videos or reels with voiceover is very effective. Show different designs, fabric and styling ideas to engage your audience. And another idea is to create a small website. You can display your collection and allow customers to order directly from there. This idea is best idea and offering customization is a big advantage for you. Many customers want dresses according to their size and preference, so this can increase your sales. You can collaborate with local tailors or designers. This helps to create unique designs without large investments. So, dropshipping is another option. You can partner with suppliers and sell dresses without keeping stock like this. It's a very amazing idea. And Facebook Marketplace is also a powerful platform. Many people search for wedding dresses there, so it can bring good sales. And you can run paid ads targeting women age 40-60. This is your main audience, and ads help you reach them quickly. So friends, providing details description is important. Mention fabric, size, color options and occasion suitability clearly. Customer reviews play a big role. Always ask happy customers to share feedback and pictures. Offer discounts on wedding season. This attracts more buyers and increase your brand visibility. Packaging also matters. Beautifully packaging creates a premium experience and encourages repeat customers. You can also offer styling advice with each purchase. This adds value and builds customers' trust. Creating bundles like dress, matching accessories can increase your profit. Stay updated with trends. Keep adding new designs so your collection always looks fresh. Consistency is the key. Post regularly, respond to customer quickly and maintain equality. All ideas is very creative and very beautiful. This one is the best idea for you. And party outfits collection is more luxurious designs. It's a very amazing and highly demanding different party outfits collection. A mother is not just a guest. She is the heart of the wedding. Her dress should reflect grace, love and dignity. Soft fabric like chiffon and silk look very classy and comfortable. They give a royal and smooth look. Lace dresses are always timeless. They add beauty and soft feminine touch to the overall outfits. And long gowns with light embroidery are perfect for a stylish and modern appearance. Velvet dresses are great for winter weddings. They look rich and very elegant. And light colors like pastel pink, beige and sky blue give a soft and graceful look. Dark colors like navy blue and maroon give a strong and confident personality. Always choose a dress that is comfortable. Style is important, but comfort is more important. Avoid very heavy dresses. Simple and elegant outfits always look more beautiful. Matching accessories like clutch, earrings, and shoes can complete the look perfectly. Proper fitting is very important. A well fitted dress can make you look more confident. Do not try to copy others. Choose a style that suits for your personality and age. Confidence is the best outfit. When you feel good, you automatically look beautiful. Hairstyles and makeup should be simple and classy, not too heavy. It's a very amazing and very creative, most beautiful, latest and demanding, outstanding party outfit collection. Always keep your daughter's wedding theme in mind while choosing your dress. Remember, friends, elegance is better than showing off. Lace is always more. Your smile is your biggest beauty. Wear it proudly with your dress. This is your special day too, so enjoy every moment with love and happiness. It's a very amazing and very creative idea, most beautiful, most demanding and very creative collection. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. All ideas is very creative, very demanding and very useful. It's a very amazing big designer dress articles. New collection, new ideas. Hope you like all ideas in collection. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Please like and share my videos. It's a very amazing, highly demanding, big fashion designer dress collection. Most beautiful, latest, amazing, outstanding designs. Very beautiful, latest and creative ideas. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and Assalamu alaikum.